Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the post-tea session. If you enjoyed that tea, give a big round of applause for our partner who sponsored that tea, our Venti partner, Content Bloom. Thank you for sponsoring that tea. And moving on to the post-tea session, ladies and gentlemen, we've got Microsoft Bot Framework and Sitecore by Jack Spektor. And he is the senior developer, AKQA, all the way from New Zealand. Ladies and gentlemen, he's also a Sitecore MVP 2018-19. Put your hands together. Welcome on stage, Jack Spektor.
Hi, everybody. I'm very excited to be here today. This is my first time in India, first time in Bangalore. I'm a little bit nervous. Today I'm going to present about Microsoft Bot Framework, what it is, and how we can use it together with Sitecore to build chatbots really easy. So I'm going to do a little bit talk about why would you need to build a chatbot, a little introduction into Microsoft Bot Framework, and then I'm going to talk about Sitecore Bot Framework features. It is a small library I've built to easily build chatbots with Sitecore Bot Framework and Sitecore. I'm going to do a little demonstration. Does anybody here use or ever used chatbot? Yeah. Anyone built chatbot? Cool. So why would you need a chatbot? A chatbot is additional business channel which you can build. You don't need to do much effort to do this. It's really easy, much cheaper, and to build a traditional website. You don't need any designs for that. It's easy to use for users. They already know everybody about how to chat. So they already use web chat or Skype or any other chat platforms. And it's really good for automating repetitive tasks such as user support or others. There are already a lot of companies which use chatbots. You can order a taxi with Lyft. You can order food in a supermarket. You can check your credit card status, or you can order a pizza or airfare tickets. User service says that many users predict to use a chatbot when they would like to resolve a complaint or a problem on the site. So in that case, you would like to do the search in the database for the known problems and present them to users. Getting detailed answers or explanations, you can do the search for FAQs. Finding a human customer service assistant, you can automate that before presenting a human assistant to user with showing him some common problems. A lot of users says they would like to get a quick answer in case of emergency, but actually it's funny, but it's not a good case for a chatbot. What is the Microsoft Bot Framework? It's a platform Microsoft provided to easily build chatbots. It integrates with all major chat platforms like Skype, Telegram. So once you build one for this platform, it works for all chat platforms. It also could be integrated with LUIS, which is a language understanding service. So that means if you're talking to chatbot using human speech, your chatbot would be able to understand that if you integrate with this LUIS service. And also, Microsoft Bot Framework could be hosted on the cloud. Azure already supports Microsoft Bot Framework chatbots. In order to build a chatbot using Microsoft Bot Framework, you have to define a chatbot through dialogues and intents, which define your conversations with users. But you still need to know how to code when you are building a chatbot with this platform. You still need to know the technical knowledge of C# or JavaScript to integrate that with your website. So let's also think how to build a good chatbot. Same with when you are building a website, there are a set of best practices which you would like to apply to build a chatbot. First, you would like to have meaningful messages, which means that you would like to have your chatbot messages descriptive enough that user would feel like he's talking to a real human, not a machine. You would like your chatbot to be responsive, which means that it should take into account your previous conversations with chatbot. You would like your messages not to repeat, instead of present some random conversations. You would like to know your history of user, maybe whether he's authenticated or not. You would like your chatbot to be interactive, which means it should talk to user not only with text messages. Let's also think of other interactions you can have with the chat platforms. You can have information presented with images, videos, different lists, user choices, or even smiles. And your chatbot also should have a simple goal. You don't want to confuse user with some complicated options. You should, if you're building a chatbot, say for booking.com, you would like your chatbot to be able to book a room, see available rooms, and see previous room reservations. And of course, you want your chatbot to be integrated into your website to use your website APIs and your business processes. So if you look at these traits of a good chatbot, a lot of these things are about content. So that's, I thought, why don't we combine this awesome Microsoft Bot Framework and Sitecore and build a framework which allows us to build chatbots with ease in Sitecore. So let's think about requirements to this framework. Of course, we would like to store all content in Sitecore and reuse it if possible. And it's not only limited to text. We would like it to be interactive, so it should be also images, videos, chatbot cards, option selections, lists. We would like to be able to configure the behavior of a chatbot without any code required from the developer or user. So all chatbot logic would be defined as a content in Sitecore. We will use awesome Sitecore rules engine for defining the behavior of a chatbot and its branching. And we would like to use LUIS for human language level interaction. We would like our framework to be easy to integrate. Let's think of such awesome modules as web form for marketeers, redirect module. They're really easy to install, so let's do the same way. And we also want our framework to be extendable through Sitecore patches. We want to add additional functionality if it's not coming out of the box. And of course, we would like to use the power of Sitecore by using Sitecore forms, XConnect analytics, Sitecore goals and campaigns, and personalization that comes from Sitecore. So I'll do a small demonstration of a chatbot which was built with this framework. In order to test your chatbot, Microsoft provides Bot Framework Emulator, which could allow you to test your chatbot in a chat environment. So this is a simple chatbot I've built for a dairy, which is a popular supermarket network in New Zealand. So we can see chatbot presents us with options. We can see which products are on special on the supermarket, which stores are available. We can contact us, leave a contact message for the supermarket network. The information is presented in form of the list. And let's submit a form. So when we submit that, all of this goes to Sitecore forms, so we can capture that later in Sitecore. Let's take a look how easy it is to configure a chatbot in Sitecore. So this is Sitecore content editor, and we have a bots folder with number of chatbots defined here. So we have a dairy bot. So chatbot is defined by the start dialog and the route, which means we could have multiple chatbots under the same website defined. It defines the welcome options for user. All behavior of a chatbot is defined with dialogues. So we can, for our chatbot, we've built a stores dialog, which shows the information about available stores, specials dialog, and contact us dialog. Every dialog has a list of actions which defines the behavior of a dialog. And the actions could be configured from Sitecore. So you can add condition action if you wanted to have decision branching in your chatbot. You can add action to go to call another dialog, to prompt user for some information, send message to user, send attachment, a carousel, or submit a form. So in case of contact us dialog, we have a prompt action which asks user for a message and then saves it in a variable. And then we can submit a form mapping the variables to the form fields. So all of this is done without any code required for user. So let's right now change the behavior of our chatbot and add additional option, like let's present user with our team, which will show team members of the supermarket. I already prepared a team dialog, which shows the user message to the user, asking whether he wants to join the team of the supermarket members, and presenting supermarket members of the team. And also, I have a rule defined on the start dialog. Whether the user selects our team, it calls the team dialog. You can see we are using rule engine for all of this, and we have already prepared rules and actions which comes out of the box. And we have a rule here for going to team. So let's publish that. And let's see how it works with our emulator. So you can see now we have another option for our team. And we can click that and see the message at team members. We can extend the functionality easily by adding additional actions and rules to the rule engine. That's how we combine the functionality of Sitecore and Microsoft Bot Framework, so we can build it together. As well as we can easily extend out-of-the-box actions for dialogues with Sitecore patches. So if some chatbot will require some functionality which not comes out of the box of the framework, we can easily extend that with minimum code required. So that's it. This is still work in progress, so there is a lot of stuff to extend for this framework. But what I wanted to showcase is how we can use together Sitecore and Microsoft Bot Framework together and to allow to build chatbots. Thank you.